silly one. Hi.
And yet you don't know who I am. I'm a little hurt, I must say.
I'm the owner of the strength which you have never possessed and never will possess. I'm the owner of truth and deceit of this world. What you mistake for the power of truth is but a teeny tiny drop in my limitless ocean of knowledge. Oh, who am I? Need another drink? I thought you so am I little by now.
The one who governs all truth and deceit. The master of all knowledge.
Bing, bing.
Evil. And it reduced it to deceit. The witches took your powers and you see it!
Seth, you little shithead!
Absolute silence! I made a burn up in the oven!
Alrighty, so you think you stand a chance against me? You're so silly, oh silly Vanilli. Do I have to spell it out for you? So silly, oh silly Vanilli. Do I have to spell it out for you?